Welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. Myself Assistant Professor Maithili Gauri Shankar today going to teach you SYBMS SEM 4 Information Technology in Business Management 2. In that the topic is Management Information System. What is Management Information System? Management Information System is a computer-based information system which is used for processing data into information and communicating to various departments in the organization to support the organization and to make the decision of the organization. Proper definition of the MIS, Management Information System, is broadly refer to a computer-based system that provides managers with the tool of organize, evaluate and efficiently manage department within an organization. What does Management Information System means? Management Information System. The role of MIS is three-part: managing the system, giving information, collecting the information and storing the information, and giving efficient data to the system and for the organization to get profit. Management is a effective utilization of human and material resource to achieve the enterprise objective. So what are the human and material resources are having in the organization? It should be efficiently used by the management with the idea of the management, and achievement will be get by the organization. The management have 5 basic functions: planning, organizing, staffing, directing and finally controlling. In information part, the MIS have processed data that help the management in planning, controlling and operation. Data means unstructured raw facts, observation and unevaluated method in isolation. Means the data collected orally or by observation inside the organization, that according to that the decision was made with the help of information technology. Data involves facts and figures. Information on the other hand is like a furnished product which will be helping for the organization to get the achievement. So data means the collecting of data is given in table above the word data. It was not in the proper arrangement. When it is converted after processing, the information are given in proper order like salesman code, zone, item code and sales. So this is the detail or information of the salesperson of code 1 and 2, in which area he or she done the sales, how much, for how much amount the sales was done was given in this chart. System. In Management Information System, system is the third part. A system is an orderly grouping of interdependent components linked together according to the plan and achievement of the objective. So after planning, the systematic work should be followed so that orderly grouping of interdependent components are doing by system. Human body is a system composed of various parts which are working together towards a common objective, that is to live. This is one of the example for system. So MIS, what is the work of MIS we have seen. In information system is an organized combination of people, hardware, software, communication network and data resource that collects, transforms and disseminates in an organization. So whatever data we are collecting, that was stored in computer or laptop or in the server, common server. So in information technology, people, hardware, software and communication network and data resource all play the major roles. Components of information system are input, processor, output, people, hardware, software, data, network. Management information system an integrated user machine system for providing information to support the operation, management, analysis and decision making functions in an organization. The management information system plays the major role. The system utilization are computer hardware and software, manual procedure, models for analysis, planning, control and decision making and database. This is the basic idea what the major role of management information system in the organization. Thank you, student.